From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
The 11th problem of WAEC 2025 Objective Mathematics says, simplify root 200 minus root 72. So this is a problem under Surds. And what you want to do here is, you want to factorize each of these terms such that the largest perfect square is inside. So if you look at 200, the largest perfect square that is inside is 100, such that we can put this as square root of 100 times 2. Likewise, the largest perfect square is 36 times 2 is 72. Because you could times 4 by 18 here, and 4 is a perfect square, and 9 by 8 here, 9 also a perfect square. So you want to consider the largest perfect square. So this can be written as square root of 100 times square root of 2 minus square root of 36 times square root of 2. Square root of 100 we know is 10 times square root of 2 is root 2 minus square root of 36 we know is 6 times square root of 2. And so now they are now in the same factor, root 2. So we can subtract 10 root 2 minus 6 root 2 is simply 4 root 2. And the answer is B. Thank you for watching.